Hello, my magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful. You are amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back in my channel, for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much. This is your extended love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate with you. But if it does not resonate with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Uh, Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. Take whatever is resonating, okay? So because this is the general extended reading for all of you, extended general love reading for all of you, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So yeah, let's start your extended love reading. A very happy birthday to all of you who are having birthdays in Feb. You can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally, Aquarius, and you can have a look in your main reading too. So in the main reading, I told you that there is someone around you who is coming back towards you, Aquarius, by saying that I'm sorry, Aquarius. Here I'm having the Page of Cup. So they're coming towards you with saying an apology and saying that I'm sorry, Aquarius, I did this wrong to you. And maybe they promised you for the balance and all, but they did not give you any kind of balance because they were juggling a lot. They were self juggling a lot. They were trying so hard to bring a balance, but they were unable to bring a balance in a situation. But there is some kind of world card is here, because and judgment is also here. So there is a completion here of a karmic cycle. There is a closing out a cycle, and there is a new beginning which is happening for you, and there is some kind of judgment which divine is making for you, Aquarius. You are right, you are, enjoying your singlehood. You are working on yourself. See, on bottom of the deck I'm having Hermit again, okay? And in your main reading too, I told you that you went into hermit mode. You were doing your soul searching. You were looking answers from your within yourself, that what my soul wants. You were doing your healing and all. But there is someone around you who wants to take a leap of faith with you. Here I'm having the Fool card. They want to take a leap of faith with you. There were a lot of conflicts with this person here with the Five of Swords. But you are the wish fulfillment for them here. Nine of Cups is here. So you are the wish fulfillment for this person, and there were a lot of conflicts with this person. Maybe this person, with this person you are either married to this person or you are committed to this person for long period of time, but there was some kind of family dynamic with this person. Now they took long period of time here, okay? Knight of Pentacle is here because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. So they took long period of time to come towards you, and now they're coming towards you with this Six of Pentacle, that now I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take in relationship. Now they are going to give you that balance. That's what they are saying here. But now let's start your clarification and see what is the clarification of these cards. Let's see. Please help me out to clarify the cards. What is the meaning of Page of Cups? Give me the clarification why there is Page of Cups. King of Swords again, Chariot, and Ace of Wands. They are having a thought of you, Aquarius. They want to move in a forward direction. Here, can you see? First, let me show you this. Page of Cup and King of Swords here. And this King of Swords is someone who knows the truth, okay? They know the truth. They know, okay, that they miss you. That's the message I'm getting. They are having a thoughts. You ignite passion in them, Aquarius. You ignite passion with them. They want to move in a forward direction. They know what is right and what is wrong, what is white and what is black here, okay? They want to move in a forward direction with you. They're having thoughts of you here in their mind. Can you see? Because you ignite the passion in you. You ignite the passion in them basically. So let's see why there is King of Swords. Clarify me, King of Swords. Clarify King of Swords. Nine of Wands and Magician. Okay. So you are standing your ground here. You are not ready to give up. You are, standing straight, that saying that I'm not going to give up. I'm ready to fight. I'm not ready. You are being very self-defensive. You are protecting your energy. You are not giving up. That's the message I'm getting. Can you see how this girl is standing straight and saying, see that I'm not going to give up. But they are manifesting you here. Magician is here. They are manifesting you. I want my Aquarius. I'm manifesting them. That's the message I'm getting here. They are manifesting you, Aquarius, but you are not ready to, put your guards down. Okay? Even after so many things, you are holding one wand and standing straight that I am ready for fight. I am not going to, you know, give up. I'm ready. But they are manifesting you, Aquarius. The Magician is here. Clarify the World card. I told you, bottom of the deck I'm having Two of Pentacles. They were juggling a lot. They were unable to bring a balance. Maybe they offered you a cup, but you are holding back from this person. There is Four of Pentacles and Four of Cups. Four of Pentacles and Four of Cups. You are holding back here. Can you see? You are not opening up in this person. You are not giving this person any kind of energy. You are holding so tight on yourself, on your energy. You are saying that I'm not going to open up. No, I'm not going to put my guards down, and I am not going to accept the cup with this person. That's why there is completion here, because you are unable to put your guards down here. And now they are feeling restricted, stuck. Can you see? They are feeling restricted, stuck because of you. They want you to open up, but you are not ready to open up. You are not ready to open up, and you are not ready to accept the cup also. That's the energy they are getting also. That's why there is a completion here. Clarify Two of Cups. Clarify Two of Cups. Why there is Two of Cups? I just tell you this. Maybe they have lot of options to choose, or you have lot of options to choose. Bottom of the deck I'm having Seven of Cups. Here the Three of Pentacles. See, lot of options were there. There was a third party involvement in your situation, in your life. But now they are stuck on you. That's the message I'm getting. See, Hangman and Eight of Swords. They feeling like an hangman. They feeling like restricted, stuck. They are unable to move in forward direction. They are, trapped in their own mind thoughts. They are coming towards you. They're rushing towards you with this Knight of Swords, Page of Swords, and Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you. Lot of communication. And after, doing all researching, all, can you see, doing all research and all the things, all the information they got about you, they are coming towards you. They are rushing towards you here. They are coming towards you with the communication to offer you Two of Cup. Okay, maybe they're keeping tabs on you with this Page of Swords. They may be keeping tabs through social media, on social media, about what my Aquarius are up to, what is Aquarius doing. Okay, they were keeping an eye on you. Basically, they were doing, yeah, they were keeping an eye on you. They were finding that what my Aquarius are up to. 0909 was the recording reading time. But now they are rushing towards you. Now they are finally coming towards you with lot of communication here. Eight of Wands is here. So maybe you will receive lot of messages, a phone call with this person. Why there is judgment? Why there is judgment here? King of Cups. Because you left out this person here. You move in a forward direction. Eight of Cups. Because of lot of conflicts. There were lot of conflicts, argument, fighting here with this person with the Five of Wands. Now the judgment is being made here. Either this person is making judgment that now I'm going to make a judgment for my Aquarius, or Divine is making a judgment. but you move in a forward direction in search of nine of cups here. Or this person left you out in a cold. That can be a possible. This person move in a forward direction, leaving you behind in search of nine of cups, and later on they get to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Yeah, that's right. They move in a forward direction, leaving you behind in search of nine of cups, and now they're getting to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Why there is nine of pentacle? Why there is nine of pentacle? See again. Again page of cup. King of pentacle. Ten of wands and the world card again. So you're completing a cycle. This person was carrying lot of burdens on their shoulders. They coming with an apology and saying, I'm sorry, Aquarius, because your guards are up. Can you see how? 7 of 1111 was the recording reading time. 7 of wands, 3 of wands. Your guards were up. You are protecting your energy. You're saying that no more mind games, no more manipulation. I am happy, enjoying my singlehood. You're saying that to this person. And they were waiting for you. Can you see? You were protecting your energy and they were waiting. They were waiting that you will come towards them, but you did not came. You were protecting your own energy here, and they were waiting that you will come, but you did not come. You were protecting yourself. Because this person left out you in cold. Here. Clarify lovers. 7 of swords. Clarify lovers. Clarify lovers. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is moving here, Aquarius, in your favor. Okay. There is some kind of lying, cheating, manipulations, deceptive energy is here, okay? They have a plan for you, Aquarius. They want to collaborate with you. They want to work with you. Maybe they come towards you with a lot of romantic, loving words and loving communication. I'm getting loving communication, giving you a lot of love. And they are very passionate here. King of Wands is here. This is someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious, full of passions. Can you see this? I never mentioned this in any of my readings. There is a lizard on the shirt of this person. So they act as according to situation. Okay, they act according to the situation. This is someone who is very manipulative, who plays mind games. Deceptive energy here. I'm having 7 of swords. Be aware, Aquarius. Let me see more. Why they want to start? The Fool. Clarify Fool. Clarify Fool. They find you very happy, enjoying your singlehood. Now they coming with a stable, committed offer. Okay, they will give you committed offer. Okay, they want to take a leap of faith with you, Aquarius, because they know that they broke your heart here. 3 of Pentacle, 2 of Pentacle, Queen of Cups, Page of Wands and 4 of Wands. Can you see? They broke your heart. They know that 1441 was the recording reading time. They put you in a third party situation. They broke your hearts. They were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation here, trying to bring balance. That's why I told you there is a balance word which I am getting again and again. They broke your heart many times in the past, And after this breakup, after this broken heart, after this situation, you went into, hermit mode. You went into resting and rejuvenating yourself. Can you see how this girl is sleeping and there is heart here who is having stitches here? So you were resting and rejuvenating yourself. You were finding passion inside of you. You are someone who is very, emotionally available, who uses an intuitions, because Queen of Cup is someone who knows the value of emotion, okay, who is very intuitive. So you are very intuitive. You know how to manages fine, how to manages your emotion. You know the value of emotions. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself here. Can you see? Three of Swords and Four of Swords, both are here. After this, whatever is happening, they want to come towards you. They know that they have done wrong with you. Clarify Five of Swords. Why there is Five of Swords? Tower, Sun, Queen of Pentacles, again bottom of the deck I'm having Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Someone put all the swords in the bag inside of them. Yeah. Sun and Moon both are here again. And whenever in my reading the Sun and Moon come together, I told you that this is someone who is your soulmate energy. Okay, this is someone who is your soulmate energy. But there are some hidden emotions which are hidden. Okay, Aquarius. There is a divine intervention here. This is the Tower movement. Something is crumbling down. Okay, things are getting changed. Unexpected changes are coming in your life. Okay, there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you, but there is something which is hidden here. Maybe this person is unaware about their emotions here. This person is unaware about their emotions, or you are unaware about the emotions, but there is something which is hidden from you. There are some secrets, things which are hidden from you, but there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius, here. But divine is intervening in this situation. Divine is coming so that you can make necessary changes which are necessary for you. Bottom of the deck again I'm having Knight of Pentacle and the Knight of Pentacle too. So this is coming towards you at a very slow pace. You will be seeing that no, they are not coming, there is no message, but they are coming, Aquarius. Clarify Nine of Cups, Ten of Swords and Ten of Cups. See, Nine of Cups and Ten of Cups. So yes, there was a family dynamic with this person. Either you were married to this person for a long period of time, or you were committed to this person for a long period of time, but they get back what they give you, Aquarius. Okay, there were a lot of swords, backstabbing. All swords were put in their bag. Okay, they did not find anyone like you. That's the message I'm getting here. And you were doing your soul searching here, Hermit mode. You were doing your soul searching. Clarify Ten of Cups, Seven of Cups, Six of Cups. This is someone from your past. Five of Swords, Eight of Cups. Bottom of the deck. See, I told you this is someone who is either you are married to this person or you are committed to this person, but they are at the crossroads. They are choosing you, Aquarius. They're making a decision. There is Lovers here and there is Fool card. Okay, you were putting lot of efforts, time, energy in this relationship. Eight of Pentacle and Five of Swords is again here, but there were a lot of conflicts in this. Again and again there were only conflicts, argument, fighting with this person. Okay, that's why is here. because maybe they were not committed to you here. Seven of cups and six of cups is, six of cups is someone who is from your past. You both know each other very well, okay? And this is also a soulmate card here, okay? But maybe they were not committed to you, they were exploring other options, okay? And you were only putting lot of efforts, time, energy in this relationship here. You're putting lot of time, energy in this relationship, and after putting lot of time, energy, everything in this relationship, what you were getting back is fighting, argument, lot of conflicts. That's what you are getting it. But this is someone from your past. You both know each other. Six of cup is here. This is someone from your past. Clarify me, Knight of Pentacle. Clarify Knight of Pentacle. Page of Cup, Ace of Swords. See again. Page of Cup and Ace of Swords. They are having clarity, Aquarius. Now they have a clarity. They don't have any kind of confusion in mind, and they have a clarity. They're coming towards you with an apology again. They're coming towards you with an apology, with a message. You will receive some kind of message with this person, or an apology saying, I'm sorry, Aquarius. I'm sorry. I did this to you. I'm sorry. Page of Cup. They have a clarity. They have a clarity. It took long period of time to make this person realize, okay? This person took long period of time to get to come to a conclusion, to get realization period. This person take long period of time to get on a realization, okay? But now they realize it. Two of Cups. Six of Pentacle. Clarify me, Six of Pentacle. Clarify Six of Pentacle. Clarify me, Six of Pentacle. The Star, the Wheel of Fortune, and the High Priestess. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuition is trying to tell you everything, okay? Use your intuition. Use your intuition. 2222 was the recording reading time. Your intuition will guide you properly. Use your intuitions. Maybe they will give you right now with a small initiative. They will took a small message or small initiative here, because Page of Pentacle is here. But they want to offer you Two of Cups. Clarify Queen of Cups. Clarify Queen of Cups. Why there is Queen of Cups? Help me out to clarify why there is Queen of Cups. Queen of Wands, Six of Pentacle, and the King of Pentacle. Again. They see you as very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious. They will give you equal amount of give and take here. Six of Pentacle. They are trying to give you equal amount of give and take. And this is someone who is financially stable, grounded, okay, who know how to manage their finances. But this is someone who is your power couple is here, okay? King of Wands and Queen of Wands both are here, okay? Here I'm having King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle both. So much. That was a clarification. Let's see what is the advice. What is the advice? See, Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Lot of communication is coming towards you. Communication is coming towards you with this person. They are coming towards you with this lot of communication. Please help me, divine guide, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the advice for Aquarius for this reading. What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? What is the advice? Three of Swords, Three of Wands. There was third party situation involvement. Third party can be anything, okay? Work, family, friends, any other addiction or any other relationship. Third party can be anything, but they broke your heart. That is for sure. I'm having here Three of Swords, Three of Wands, okay? After breaking your heart, they were waiting you to come towards them, but they know the truth that you are doing your healing, and you are someone who is very, Queen of Wands is here, okay? So you are someone who is very passionate, very mysterious, okay? Very creative, very passionate. You are doing your healing and all. They know the truth that you are completing your healing. See, King of Wands and Queen of Wands both are here. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Wherever I got Sun and Moon together in a reading, I told you before also that this is your soulmate reading. This is someone who is your soulmate. What is the advice for Aquarius? Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Okay, you will get success. Six of Wands is here. Success, victory. What is the advice? Please be aware, because again the Seven of Wands, Seven of Swords is here. So there is something which is deceptive, okay, in this situation. Just be aware of that energy. Yeah, Nine of Cups again. They find you as someone who is the wish fulfillment for this person. You are the wish fulfillment for this person, okay? But please be aware. Tower again. Divine intervention is here. This is the divine intervention. This is the when divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make necessary changes, which is good for you. Judgment. This is a divine judgment which is happening for you, but you need to keep your patience. 2727 was the recording reading time. Okay. There is a deceptive energy involved with this person. Just be aware of that, okay? You are the wish fulfillment for them here. Nine of Cups. But Tower is happening here again. This is a divine intervention. This is divine interviewing in your situation, okay? But just be aware of this deceptive, manipulative behavior, okay? This is someone who tries to manipulate you. Seven of Swords and Seven of Swords. So this person is someone who is very good at manipulating, who plays mind games, okay? Wheel of Fortune again is here, but there I am having King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Both I am having here again. There is a power couple here. I can say that you are resting and rejuvenating yourself with the Four of Swords. Complete your healing. Do your healing. Okay. Rest and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. And they know that they broke your heart. Okay. And they are waiting for you to come towards them, but you did not come. That's why now they are coming. Now they are realizing that they have to come with an apology. They know that they broke your heart here. Three of Swords is here. They know that they broke your heart. So this was your reading. But communication is coming towards you. Here a lot of communication is coming towards you. Okay. So yeah, this was your reading. This is someone from your past, Aquarius. Okay. This is a soulmate one. And here I'm having Sun and Moon both together. So this is also confirmation that this is someone who is your soulmate. So yeah, this was your reading for extended reading for Feb 2021. I hope it helped you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything Aquarius. Okay, so take care of yourself and see you soon.